Mubango wa guthondeka kiganda kia uhuthiri wa makara ma mahiga maria moikaine ta kuruta hinya wa thitima ni undu thirikari irigireire gukorwo igika na itanya ria gutuma kioneki kia mwaka wa 2030 gukinyanira kigie ukuria wa iganda. Tabarira ino ikirigirirwo gukorwo ikiongerera hinya wa thitima na megawatt makiria ma 1,000 uria ukuongerera hinya uria bururi uhotaga kuruta wa megawatt 2,712.
To decide to have coal as the main source to drive our industrial requirement and ambitions is a very wise decision because it will be cheaper, it will be reliable, and it will be sustainable.
Kuringana na mwaria wa Thirikari Cyrus Oguna, megawatt 5,000 nicio bururi urabatara niguo kuhotithia iganda gukorwo ikiruta wira wega, kuria ugite tabarira ya Lamu ni iguteithia hari ukuria wa bururi hanene.
It will be the main base power to drive manufacturing sector and the Big Four Agenda Initiative, and also to be able to create jobs.
Tabarira ino irigireirwo kuhuthira muigana wa shiringi bilioni 200 iria igukinyaniria unyitaniri-ini na thirikari hamwe na honge cia andu kiumbe.
Now this project is a PPP, meaning that it is a public-private partnership project and will cost 200 billion Kenya shillings. This will be injected by a private developer. Now, once the project is complete, the developer will be able to recover this money or his investment by selling power to consumers until the year 2050.
Oguna akiongerera tabarira ino ni gukorwo ikirehera bururi umithio ta uthondeki wa mieke ya mawira, kugunika kwa aikari a Lamu na mai matheru kuma iria ria Indian Ocean, na oho kunyiha kwa thogora wa marihi ma thitima kuma shiringi 8.20 nginyagia shiringi 8.8, undu uria ni wa kuhuthiria Kenya murigo.
On completion, the project will not only spur industrialization in Lamu and beyond, but will also provide employment opportunities for Kenyans.
Thirikari ikiranira ati tabarira ino ndigukorwo na ugwati hari maria maturigicĩirie ta uria gukoretwo gukirikana, kuona ikuhuthira njira ya kiriu gutigirira gutire na oru okumana nayo.
Like I did mention, it is called ultra supercritical and it is known to be environmentally friendly. In other countries where it has been used in Germany, Malaysia, UAE, and Turkey, among others.
Waki wa tabarira ino ukanjiriria mwaka wa 2024 na kurika ihinda-ini ria mieri 30. Handu-ini ha Njata TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njeri wa Njoroge.